Want to reach more customers by selling on Facebook and Instagram? Connecting your WooCommerce store to these platforms is easier than you think. In this video, we'll show you how to set it up quickly and start boosting your sales. How to set up Facebook and Instagram shops with WooCommerce using ELEX Plugin. First, understand the benefits of connecting WooCommerce to Facebook and Instagram, reaching new customers, turning shoppers into buyers, leveraging insights about potential customers, and easily promoting offers. To get started, set up your Facebook shop by logging into Meta Business Suite, selecting Commerce Manager, and creating a shop with your business details. Once your shop is ready, connect your WooCommerce store using the ELEX WooCommerce Catalog feed for Facebook and Instagram plugin. This plugin helps generate and update your product catalog in real time on both platforms. To set up the plugin, activate it in your WordPress dashboard, connect it to Facebook, and configure the settings. This includes naming your project, enabling Facebook AutoSync, and mapping product categories and attributes to Facebook's standards. After setting up the feed, sync your product catalog to Facebook and Instagram using Commerce Manager. Upload your product feed file, create a catalog, and connect your Instagram account to ensure synchronization. This is how you set up Facebook and Instagram shops with WooCommerce using ELEX Plugin. Check learnwoo.com for more videos, articles, and resources related to websites, WooCommerce, and WordPress. If you liked this video, give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep getting updates on more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.